Hello everyone, my name is Sila Raisya Mailan Pratidina. Example of narrative text. Once upon a time, there was a small deer named Lumo, who lived in a peaceful forest near a clear river. Lumo was known as a kind and clever animal, who loved helping other animals in the forest. Every morning, he would run happily through the trees and greet his friends. One day, a long dry season came and the river slowly began to dry up. The animals became worried because they had difficulty finding water. Some animals started to fight over the little water that was left, and the forest was no longer peaceful. Lumo felt sad seeing his friends in trouble. Lumo then had an idea. He led the animals to a hidden spring deep in the forest that he had discovered before. The spring provided enough water for everyone. The animals thanked Lumo and promised to live in harmony again. Since that day, the forest became peaceful once more. The orientation introduced the characters, setting, and situation at the beginning of the story. It tells who involved, where the story takes place, and how the condition is before the problem appears. In Indonesia, orientasi adalah bagian pembuka cerita yang memperkenalkan tokoh, tempat, dan keadaan awal cerita sebelum munculnya masalah. Example from the text. Once upon a time, there was a small deer named Lumo bla 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 bla. Yang artinya, dahulu kala hiduplah seekor rusa kecil bernama Lumo. Kemudian, Lumo lived in a peaceful forest near a clear river. Yang artinya, Lumo tinggal di hutan yang tenang di dekat sungai yang jernih. Dari kedua kalimat ini menunjukkan siapa tokohnya, yaitu Lumo, dan di mana cerita itu berlangsung, yaitu hutan dekat sungai. Complication is the part where a problem or conflict begins. It shows a situation that disturbs the normal condition and creates tension in the story. In Indonesia, complication atau komplikasi adalah bagian ketika masalah muncul dan mengganggu keadaan awal cerita. Example from the text, one day a long dry season came and the river slowly began to dry up. Yang artinya, suatu hari musim kemarau panjang tiba dan sungai perlahan mulai mengering. The animals became worried because they had difficulty finding water. Yang artinya, hewan-hewan itu menjadi khawatir karena mereka kesulitan menemukan air. Kemudian, dari kedua kalimat-kalimat tersebut menunjukkan masalah utama, yaitu terjadinya kekeringan dan kekurangan air yang membuat para hewan menjadi khawatir dan bertengkar. The resolution is the part where the problem is solved. It explains how the conflict ends and how the situation becomes better. In Indonesia, resolution atau resolusi adalah bagian akhir cerita yang menjelaskan bagaimana masalah itu dapat diselesaikan dan keadaan kembali menjadi membaik. Example from the text, Lumo then had an idea, yang artinya, lalu Lumo mendapatkan sebuah ide. He led the animals to a hidden spring deep in the forest, yang artinya, dia menuntun hewan-hewan itu ke mata air tersembunyi jauh di dalam hutan. Dari kedua kalimat itu, menunjukkan cara masalah diselesaikan, yaitu Lumo menemukan mata air sehingga para hewan bisa hidup damai kembali.